Research methods. It refers to systematic approaches used to gather, analyze, and interpret data to make informed business decisions. These methods encompasses qualitative and quantitative research techniques tailored to address specific business problems or opportunities. Below is an overview of key aspects, what they are. Types of business research. First one is exploratory research, and the purpose of this research is to identify and define a problem or gain insights. What are the methods used in this exploratory research? Focus groups, in depth interviews, or secondary data analysis. So, these are the methods which is used in exploratory research. Next, we have descriptive research. And what is the purpose? Purpose is to describe characteristics of a population or phenomena. And what are the methods? Methods are especially surveys, case studies, and observational studies. Next, we have a causal research. Purpose is to determine cause and effect relationships. So, what is the cause of particular effect? So, in this way, we can find out the reason. Methods are experiments such as A by B testing or randomized controlled trials. Next, what is the process of research? First one is define the problem. First, we need to define what is the problem in that particular situation or environment. Then, clearly articulate the research questions or problems. Next, we are having design the research, like how we can proceed further. For that, we need to have a framework. So, that is what we call design. So, the first need to decide whether it's a qualitative, quantitative, or mixed method. Next is to choose data collection tools, how you are going to gather information. It can be by surveys, or you can take an interview. It can be through observation also. Next, we have collection of data. So after deciding what tool you are going to use, you are going to collect data through that particular tools, like a survey. uh, Gather primary, new, or secondary existing data. So there are two types of data. First one is primary data, second one is secondary data. Primary data is actually a new data which you are going to collect from the environment, from the sample, from the population. And second data which is already available in terms of secondary form. It can be reports, it can be data which is already used by other researchers, or it's a published data from organizations. So this is something which is available. Next, we are having analyzing data. Use how you're going to analyze that data. So for that, we are going to use various statistical tools. There we are having softwares like SPSS, R, or Excel, or thematic analysis also used for the qualitative data. Next is report findings. Present insights using reports, visualizations, and recommendations. This is the last part of the research. Like whatever you are going to do in your studies, you're going to collect data analyzing, and after that, you're going to make a report in terms of presenting your findings. It you can use various charts, tables, and you can you can give recommendation also for the organization, or you can give recommendation to the future researcher also. Next, we are having common techniques. What they are? Survey. So it's a structured questionnaires for the large sample sizes. Then we have interviews, in depth discussions to explore insight. Focus groups are the groups which where the group interactions to uncover collective perspective. Observation, monitoring behavior in natural setting. Next, we have experiments, testing variables under controlled conditions. So these are the way common techniques of collecting data. Qualitative and qualitative and quantitative. What is the main difference? Methods. So here we have a type: numerical, textual, or visual analysis. Methods: statistical, interpretive. Purpose means measure and quantify, understand, experience, tool surveys, experimental interview, focus groups. So these are the aspects of qualitative and quantitative data. Challenges are ensuring data validity and reliability, addressing biases in data collection and interpretation, balancing time, cost, scope, and constraints. So and every research there is always challenges. It can be in terms of validity, whether the data, whatever data you are collecting, is valid or not, reliable or not. It can be biased also, even though it can be biased in during interpretation also. It comes with the cost, time, and the constraints also.